Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with another new product update, a new release from the team here at Speedwerx. We've talked about this before, haven't showed you guys the finished part yet, but we have our high elevation Catalyst 858 single pipe right here in front of us. Super awesome, easy way to save a few pounds, 2.4 pounds lighter than stock that is, and an easy way to add 8.5 horsepower just with the pipe alone. No ECU tuning or reflashing needed. You can just bolt this on and go. If you really want to get it good, you go to our whole stage kit, which incorporates our cylinder head, our high flow air intake, and our clutching. And then if you're at elevation, you're like 18 horse, and down at sea level, you're at 18 horse at sea level, and you're up over like 21 at elevation. So super easy, simple, great modification to make to your Catalyst. This is the high elevation version. We're filling back orders. We're trying to get parts in stock as soon as we can, but it's a new model year and it's a new product, so we're always behind in those years. So we're shipping back orders as fast as we can. We hope to have inventory soon. If you know you want one and you're interested, please get it ordered right away. We're talking an 8.5 horsepower gain all the way down to like 5,000 RPM, all the way up to like 8,300 RPM. It's gaining 8.5 horsepower everywhere. 2.4 pounds lighter than stock. Retail price of $969.99. Comes ceramic coated, everything you see. And again, no EFI tuning or reflashing required. Low elevation, guys. Pipe's coming soon. There'll be a whole nother video and everything with it. It's coming soon. If you know you want it, give us a call, let us know. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.